Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that a dirty or frozen windshield can reduce visibility so drastically that it's actually more dangerous than texting while driving? Today, we're diving into the top best anti-freeze windshield washer fluids you can grab on Amazon, all designed to keep your windshield crystal clear, whether it's blazing hot, rainy, or freezing cold. All the links are in the description, so check them out as we go along. Now, let's get started and see which one really stands out for your car. On number 6, Clean Revolution Advanced All-Season Windshield Washer Fluid Ultra Low VOC Formula. Extreme -27 degrees Fahrenheit Winter Protection. Clean Revolution Advanced All-Season Washer Fluid isn't just another fluid. It's designed to be a year-round champion for drivers who hate swapping fluids between summer and winter. Its ultra-low VOC formula reduces emissions by around 40% compared to regular washer fluids, making it a greener choice, while the 2-in-1 function works as both a bug remover in summer and a de-icer in winter, down to -27 degrees Fahrenheit. What's especially cool is its water-beating technology, which lets rain and drizzle roll off your windshield more easily, enhancing visibility in wet conditions. In real-life use, it effortlessly wipes away road grime, dust, and bug splatter without streaks, which is a blessing for nighttime or rainy driving. Compared to Prestone's AS series all-season fluids, Clean Revolution stands out for eco-friendliness and rain-sensing windshield safety, though Prestone may edge it out for availability and tested extreme cold performance. Pouring it in is hassle-free, no mixing required, and it doesn't smell strongly. The main drawbacks? Its freeze protection only goes to -27 degrees Fahrenheit, and it can be a bit pricier with limited availability outside the US. Overall, if you drive in varied conditions but not extreme sub-zero climates, this fluid is a convenient, eco-conscious, all-season choice. What do you think about the eco angle? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, ABRO Windshield Washer Fluid Ready-to-Use Formula. ABRO offers a no-fuss, pre-mixed washer fluid that is all about simplicity and streak-free performance. Designed for drivers who want instant usability without worrying about dilution, it tackles bug splatter, tar, and road grime effectively. Users love that it's safe for all vehicle finishes, including paint, trim, and wipers, which reduces accidental damage. Unlike Clean Revolution or UCS fluids that focus on all-season versatility, ABRO leans heavily on cleaning power rather than freeze protection. That makes it perfect for moderate climates, urban commuters, or road trippers who deal with frequent bugs and dust. But maybe not the best pick if your winters dip below freezing regularly. Compared to other fluids, ABRO shines in its convenience. Just pour and go, with consistent performance across varying conditions. However, it might require frequent topping up in heavy bug or tar conditions, and it doesn't have fancy water beating or de-icing tech. If you prioritize hassle-free cleanliness over winter readiness, ABRO is a dependable, cost-effective option. Would you rather convenience over extreme cold performance? Drop your thoughts below. On number 4, UCS Advanced All-Season Windshield Washer Fluid. UCS Advanced All-Season Fluid is a versatile, ready-to-use solution aimed at giving drivers year-round clarity without the seasonal swap. It combines a 2-in-1 bug wash with water-beating technology and freeze protection down to -27 degrees Fahrenheit, making it similar to Clean Revolution in capabilities. The streak-free formula ensures safe, glare-free driving, while rain-sensing windshield safety is a big plus for modern vehicles. In practice, UCS performs well. It clears bugs, dust, and grime during summer, while helping prevent light frost or ice from hampering wipers in moderately cold weather. Compared to Prestone or Clean Revolution, UCS holds its own, though some users report diminished performance in harsher sub-zero climates. Its ready-to-use convenience and consistent cleaning make it great for commuters and everyday drivers in moderate regions. But heavy-duty winter drivers might want something stronger like Ultra One Plus. It's a solid balance of cleaning and winter prep without extra steps, ideal for hassle-free maintenance. Which do you think balances cleaning and freeze protection best? Comment below. On number 3, Ultra One Plus De-Icer Windshield Washer Fluid. If winter is brutal where you live, Ultra One Plus is your go-to fluid. Rated down to -32 degrees Fahrenheit, it melts ice, frost, and snow fast, clearing not just windshields, but also wipers and locks. Its advanced de-icing formula also handles road grime, salt, and dirt, leaving a streak-free, clear surface. Ready-to-use convenience means no mixing, and drivers in snowy or icy climates report it keeps washer systems functional when ordinary fluids fail. Compared to all-season fluids like Clean Revolution or UCS, Ultra One Plus is far superior in extreme winter performance, though it may be overkill for mild climates. Cost-wise, it's higher, and availability may be tricky due to its niche, imported nature. But if freezing mornings are your reality, this fluid delivers peace of mind and reliability. How often do you deal with frozen windshields? Share your winter struggle stories in the comments. On number 2, UltraVision Windshield Washer Fluid. UltraVision is perfect for fair-weather drivers looking for reliable, streak-free cleaning in temperatures above 32 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pre-mixed, ready to use, and offers water-beating tech for improved visibility in rain. It handles common grime, bugs, and road film effectively, but it's not built for icy winters or heavy frost. Compared to ABRO, it's more suited for temperate climates with daily use, rather than a winter warrior like Ultra One Plus. Its simplicity and safe use across all vehicle types make it ideal for city or suburban driving, offering good value for everyday use. For drivers rarely facing sub-zero temperatures, this fluid hits the sweet spot of convenience and cleaning power. Would you choose simplicity over winter readiness? Let me know below. On number 1, Sanco Industries AquaCharge Ultra Concentrate. Finally, Sanco AquaCharge is a powerhouse for drivers or fleet owners who want maximum value. One small 32-ounce bottle makes up to 55 gallons of washer fluid when mixed correctly, with optional methanol for winter freeze protection. This ultra-concentrated formula cleans bugs, grime, sap, and more. And when diluted properly, it leaves a streak-free windshield at a fraction of the cost of premixed fluids. Compared to all-season options like UCS or Clean Revolution, Sanco offers unmatched cost efficiency and flexibility, but it requires careful mixing, which adds a step not needed for ready-to-use products. Handling the concentrate also demands caution to avoid spills, and in cold climates, you must mix in methanol or risk freezing. For fleet operators, long-distance drivers, or anyone going through a lot of fluid, Sanco is unbeatable on value, though for convenience, pre-mixed fluids might be preferable. Who loves DIY savings over instant convenience? Comment your choice. So guys, that wraps up the ultimate showdown of the best anti-freeze windshield washer fluids on Amazon. From ultra-efficient Sanco AquaCharge to extreme winter-ready Ultra One Plus, there's something for every driver, climate, and budget. All the links are in the description, so check them out. And don't forget to like this video, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more helpful car product reviews.